on-screen keyboard in ActivInspire allows you another way to easily insert text to your flip charts, even in the midst of teaching a lesson. You can access the on-screen keyboard through the Tools icon on your main toolbox, or go to Tools, More Tools, On-Screen Keyboard. A keyboard appears. Reposition it by dragging it anywhere on your page. You may even change the size and style of the keyboard by right-clicking in the blank area in the top right corner. You have a larger option, as well as two ActivInspire primary options. Next, select the Text tool and click where you wish to add this text. Then begin typing with the keyboard. You can always use the Selector tool to move and manipulate this new text as you would with any other object. Select the S key for symbols, or the F key to expand function keys. To close the keyboard altogether, simply click the X.